Hi friends, this is Mohan Gopinath here, welcoming you on behalf of Sangeet. And it's my absolute pleasure and honor to be chatting with a person who's been in the news for the last 2 to 3 months. I wouldn't call this banter an interview because that will be making it too formal. I would rather call it an engaging conversation with a man who's known in the industry circles or the music industry circles as Chota Rafi. I'm talking about none other than Saurav Kishan. Can we have you on screen, Saurav Kishan? Hi, Saurav.
Hi, sir.
Glad to be with you. My God, you have a smile so close to Rafi Saab. I mean, we've always seen him smiling, and that's the same demeanor that you carry. Welcome to the show, Saurav.
Thank you, sir. It's a huge honor for me to be in this platform.
It's our pleasure. So, tell us something about your childhood, Saurav. Where were you born? Where did you do your education? And how did this deep-rooted interest in music start? At what age?
I am born and brought up in Calicut, Kerala, and I got interested in old music due to, it's all from my grandfather because he used to play old songs in his gramophone. And
Okay.
also the Calicut people, they
Yeah.
helped me a lot, you know. Then I got this interest of listening to old songs, the richness in that old songs and the divinity. I don't know how to explain that because it's pure magical.
So there are two surprises in this statement that you said. One is you've actually heard a gramophone. I mean, I'm sure you're 1997 born, 24 years old, and not many people of your age must have seen a gramophone, let alone listen to one. And the second thing is, and this is also due to the cultural diversity and the kind of embracing of music that India as a whole does. Calicut per se is I mean, has a rich heritage of Malayalam music as well as Indian classical music. So the bent towards Hindi film music is not something that is well known to the rest of the country. But let me tell you, listeners, let me tell you, all our viewers, that Calicut is mad after Muhammad Rafi. I mean, he's almost their god after KJ Yesudas or on par. I would say that. Is that true, Saurabh?
True, 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 sir. Because here we are considering Mohammad Rafi Sahab as a god. Because, sir, Rafi Sahab, it's not only because of his music, it's also because of his character. Because everybody, it is embedded in our heart. His each and every songs, his versatility, his emotions, his character, everything. So it's more than to be near a god.
So it almost typifies what a typical South Indian stereotype is. I mean, God fearing, God loving, helping out people in need, always have a smiling face, wading through life's problems with a smile on the face. So I think Rafi Saab was the closest that they could ever get from the Hindi film industry to accept as their own.
True, 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 sir. Well said.
So Saurabh, tell me this: which was the first song that you heard of Rafi Saab?
First song, it would be, of course, Teri Aankhon Ke Siva, which made me, which made me, hear from Anand Mahindra Sahab. But the song which I love the most is Jaane Bahar Husne, Tera Bemisal Hai.
Bemisal hai.
Yeah.
So, Teri Aankhon Ke Siva is a song that got you nationwide recognition for the sheer way you rendered it. And it's what, been 2 months since you rendered that song and it went viral?
I think it's been almost a year, sir.
Oh, okay, cool. So, what about that song attracted you the most? I mean, why that song came to the fore?
Sir, actually, it's a interesting story because I made this video for a WhatsApp group. So they asked me to post this song on Rafi Sahab's death anniversary. So I made this video and I just sent it to them. Then after like 2 weeks, I'm hearing this. Like I'm.
Okay. So sometimes what you do comes back to you. I mean, and that's the beauty of the social media, isn't it?
Yeah, true, sir.
Okay, so we are here to celebrate the genius, the legend that Rafi Saab was, also to celebrate the life and times in which Hindi film music per se was in a golden period. So, The first song we would want to hear from you, Saurabh, and as per the list chosen by you, is Manre Tu Kahe Na Dheer Dhare, and written by the great Sahir Ludhianvi Sahab, music by Roshan, and the film is Chitralekha. In fact, you would be very surprised to know that Aarti, Bahu Begum, and Chitralekha is considered as a trilogy of Sahir, Roshan, and Pradeep Kumar. So it featured all the three movies had lyrics by Sahir, music by Roshan, and it starred Pradeep Kumar. So Chitralekha is among those movies which had excellent music, and the words. In fact, that is the thing that strikes you about this song. So over to you, Saurabh, to kickstart today's proceedings with the song that I also absolutely adore. And one more thing I wanted to tell you.
Tell me.
Whenever there's an artist, there is always the need for an appreciation. There is always the need for to be encouraged and to be loved. In fact, this is a song that has been sung or attempted by Lata Mangeshkar herself, Kishore Kumar himself, as the song that they would have loved to sing had they been given the first opportunity. You can check out YouTube for their versions of Man Re Tu Kahe Na Dheer Dhare. So that is how close this song is to their hearts. So I'm very, very privileged to start off today's session with that song.
Okay, sir, sure. मन रे तू काहे न धीर धरे, वो निर्मोही मोह न जाने, जिनका मोह करे। मन रे तू काहे न धीर धरे, इस जीवन की चढ़ती ढलती धूप को किसने बांधा, रंग पे किसने पहरे ढाले, रूप को किसने काहे ये जतन करे। मन रे तू काहे न धीर धरे, उतना ही समझ को जितना साथ निभा दे, जन्म मरण का मेल है सपना, ये सपना बिसरा दे, कोई ना संग मरे। मन रे तू काहे न धीर धरे, वो निर्मोही मोह न जाने, जिनका मोह करे। ओ मन रे तू काहे न धीर धरे।
Just wow.
Thank you, sir.
In fact, the poignancy of the lyrics, the meaning of the lyrics, जन्म मरण का खेल है सारा, ये सपना बिसरा दे, कोई ना संग मरे. It's so true. I mean, nobody comes along with you. I always wanted to ask you, I mean, this is no rebuke or kind of a dig at at the South Indian way of singing, but your diction is so unlike, is so pure, is so beautiful to hear. Did you have to work specially hard on getting the intonation and the pronunciation right? Have you done some work on that?
So actually, I'm just blessed to be, born in Calicut, because here they are helping me, Calicut people. If I make any mistakes, they will be helping me. And also from other parts of India, they help me. If I made some diction mistakes, they will help me. So I'm
Uh,
just blessed to be.
so who was your first guru, Saurabh? When did you start learning music? At what age?
3.5 years, sir. Pradhaban sir. I learned Carnatic music from Pradhaban sir.
Okay,
Then I went to learn Hindustani from Vijay Sursen sir. So it's from them
okay.
I learned.
Nice.
Mhm.
So, when you have received that amount of training, there is a certain tendency to not look at Hindi film songs or not look at film songs per se, because there is a certain amount of purity that the masters associate with classical music. At what stage did you decide to also try out film songs, let alone Malayalam or Tamil or Hindi? How did that happen?
So before when I learned Carnatic music and Hindustani music, I listened to Rafi Saab songs
Oh,
because the first song which I heard from my grandfather's gramophone is Chaudhry Ka Chand. From the
wow.
moment which I heard him humming, I got that goosebumps. So I need that kind of euphoria again and again. So I just went to, for that we need to learn Carnatic and Hindustani music, because
Right.
it's very tough to sing Rafi Saab's songs with all his emotions. So we need some Carnatic training. So I went there. My dad helped me to go
You
there, and
you keep referring to that gramophone. Do you still have it in your house?
yes,
As
yes,
a
yes, yes, sir.
fantastic. So, at what age did you listen to Chaudhary Ka Chand?
Sir, I don't know. I can't remember at which age, but I was so young. My
You still
grandfather.
are. You're only 24. So all of this must have happened in the last 20 years.
So I need to thank my grandfather for introducing Rafi Saab's songs into my life. So it's a huge blessings for me to at least
In
hear his.
fact, collectively, we should all thank him for having given us this prodigy, this talent to us, for
Yes,
having
yes.
played those songs and that got you inspired. So, the, so everybody goes through a common pattern of learning music and then taking part in inter-school competitions, and then uh, sometimes not winning at first and getting a consolation prize, then telling yourself that you're good enough to win the next year. Did all of this happen to you?
Yes, 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 sir. Who haven't gone through this phase? Yeah, yeah, everybody,
So,
even me.
you used to take part regularly in the inter-school competitions and all that stuff.
Yes, yes, sir. My music teacher from Baba Bhadya Vidya Chevayar, she used to push me to participate in all these competitions.
I'm sure, because given your shy nature, you needed to be pushed. Otherwise, on your own, you wouldn't have gone. And the world must have missed out on a huge talent. So we must thank her too. Were Hindi film songs encouraged in those competitions, or did you have to sing classical and Malayalam film songs?
Malayalam songs. Malayalam non-film songs, because it's light music, and then Carnatic music.
Okay. So per se, you haven't participated in a contest which had Hindi film songs. When did that happen?
Sir, I have participated in a TV reality show called Gandhara Sangeetam,
Okay.
and there is also a big story, sir,
Okay.
in to my journey, because I met Johnson Master, who is a best and legendary music director, and he gave me that tagline, Chota Rafi. He used to call me Chota Rafi, come here, Chota Rafi, go there, sing this song, and he asked me to just listen to Rafi Saab's songs and start learning his song and start singing. You should only follow his songs. Like he mentioned that to me, and it's a huge blessing. I now remember those words.
So, all of you who are seeing this program or listening, the mystery is unveiled. It was Johnson Master who gave Saurabh Kishan the tag that is affectionately known by these days. as Chota Rafi. So we need to thank him as well, and making sure that you're on the right path, making you listen to the great man himself. So the next song that we would like to hear from you, Saurav, is from a film called Dil Diya Dard Liya. Koi Sagar is the name of the song, written by Shakil Badayuni, music by Naushad. In fact, Naushad, Shakil, and Dilip Saab were such an unbeatable combination that for 20 years they ruled the roost. And hit after hit, each and every film, and most of the films were hits, of course. But even if the film didn't turn out to expectations, nobody could fault the music. Such was the command and the mastery over the words and the music and the acting per se of Dilip Kumar Saab, whom we lost in the month of July, the same month that Rafi Saab also died all those years back. So it's almost like a karmic connection that the two greats joined in the same month. So over to you, Saurabh.
Oh my God, sir! What a song it is that. सागर दिल को बहलाता नहीं, कोई सागर दिल को बहलाता नहीं, बेखुदी में भी करार आता नहीं, कोई सागर दिल को बहलाता नहीं। मैं कोई पत्थर नहीं इंसान हूँ, मैं कोई पत्थर नहीं इंसान हूँ, कैसे कह दूँ गम से घबराता नहीं, कोई सागर दिल को बहलाता नहीं, बेखुदी में भी करार आता नहीं। कल तो सब थे कारवां के साथ साथ, कल तो सब थे कारवां के साथ साथ, आज कोई राह दिखलाता नहीं, कोई सागर दिल को बहलाता नहीं, बेखुदी में भी करार आता नहीं। जिंदगी के आईने को तोड़ दो, जिंदगी के आईने को तोड़ दो, इसमें अब कुछ भी नजर आता नहीं, कोई सागर दिल को बहलाता नहीं, बेखुदी में भी करार आता नहीं, कोई सागर दिल को बहलाता नहीं।
Super. You know what you have done, Saurav, is just to make this entire atmosphere so spiritual and pavan, as they say. I mean, it's almost, I've entered a temple, and there is some divine music that is flowing through your throat. And
Oh,
may you continue to inspire a lot of people who want to take up singing and be as good as you are.
Oh, sir.
Okay. I will ask you a question, but you don't have to answer. You just have to say a yes or no. Do you know what Rafi Saab's nickname was? Yes or no? You don't have to answer that.
Sir, it's I like, yeah, yes, yes, yes.
Okay. So Saurav Kishan knows what Mohammad Rafi's nickname was. I would want to ask the viewers and the listeners, if you know the correct answer, please do send in your replies. And who knows, you might be one of the lucky few to get a prize from us. What was Mohammad Rafi Saab's nickname? What was he called at home by his parents, by his brothers, by his sisters? So please do write into us. So here's a naughty question, Saurav. Koi sagar dil ko behlata nahi. Have you seen the video in which Dilip Saab has acted? I'm
Oh,
sure you
yes,
must
sir.
have seen. So
Yes,
there is
sir.
a certain amount of intoxication that is there in the song. Have you tasted any alcohol in your life? By the looks of it, I don't think you have touched a drop in your life.
No, sir, no, sir.
Yeah, I
Because
thought so. Thought
because
so.
I'm like following like Rafi Saab and my grandfather. So like for the purity of this music and every other thing,
So
I
that
did it.
intoxication is purely by the expression of the voice rather than any consumption of alcohol. And for all those listeners and viewers, this is the way to do it. You don't have to experience anything to bring out that expression. Here's Saurav, who's a 24-year-old, right in front of us. And what many people don't know, Saurav, is that you have spent 4 years in China studying medicine. So when did that
Yes,
happen?
yes.
Which were the years you were in China?
So 2016, I was in China, and I thought like I'm like done with the music and all. So when I went
So you
there,
did. Why did you think so?
because I was like I'm a huge fan of my grandfather too, because he is also a doctor. So I'm just following his footsteps. So I thought, oh my god, I have to, leave music and go to China. And when I reached there, I within few weeks I met few friends, Chinese friends, who are into old music and who are the best musician in China, I guess. Because when I met them, I thought like, oh my god, music, it's still embedded in. And Rafi Saab also blessed me, because I can't live without music. Even for a day, I can't live. So when I met them, they used to play every instrument. They used to support me, and I did many shows in China too. And it's a huge blessings for me.
You know what you're saying reminds me of a saying of the great thinker Rumi. What you're seeking is seeking you. I mean, you were so hard pressed. Here you were in an alien land and a different time zone, thinking that this is the end of the road as far as music is concerned. But you meet Chinese friends who are into music, who play instruments, and then they revoke the passion, they ignite the fire in you.
Yeah.
And you actually sang many shows in China, is it?
Yes,
And
yes.
were there Indian associations, cultural things? What used to happen there? Which province were you in?
Beijing. I was in Beijing in Xinjiang province, and yeah, they used to have this cultural festival and also live events, and yeah, almost every events which happened in my university, they gave me an opportunity to perform.
Superb. So, from two heavy numbers, I'm sure, and which required a stability of voice, which required you to get into the depth of the emotions, there is a certain breezy number coming up. It's everybody's favorite. It's a song called Divana Hua Badal,
Oh.
written by S.H. Bihari, music composed by O.P. Nayyar, and sung so vivaciously with a certain gay abandon by Shammi Kapoor Saab. And the film's name is Kashmir Ki Kali. So take it away, Saurabh. We are willing to listen to this.
So there is actually a huge, thing which happened in that movie, because Shami Kabuda, Rafi Sahab, and Opinaya Sahab, when they come in, in unity, it creates different magic. And I don't know what to, say, because it's out of my vocabulary, because it's too divine to have such musics. हो आहा, आहा, ये देख के दिल झूमा, लिप्या ने अंगड़ाई, दीवाना हुआ बादल, सावन की घटा छाई, ये देख के दिल झूमा, लिप्या ने अंगड़ाई, दीवाना हुआ बादल। ऐसी तो मेरी तकदीर न थी, तुम सा जो कोई महबूब मिले, दिल आज खुशी से पागल है, दिल आज खुशी से पागल है, ऐ जान वफा तुम खूब मिले, ऐ जान वफा तुम खूब मिले, दिल क्यों न बने पागल, क्या तुमने अदा पाई, ये देख के दिल झूमा, लिप्या ने अंगड़ाई, दीवाना हुआ बादल। है आज नए अरमानों से आबाद मेरे दिल की नगरी, बरसों से खिजा का मौसम था, बरसों से खिजा का मौसम था, वीरान बड़ी दुनिया थी मेरी, वीरान बड़ी दुनिया थी मेरी, हाथों में तेरा चल आया के बाहर आई, ये देख के दिल झूमा, लिप्या ने अंगड़ाई, दीवाना हुआ बादल।
Wow. Always, I mean, I closed my eyes and I could hear the great man singing. You're so blessed, Saurav, to have that kind of similarity to the voice. It's giving me goosebumps to even mention that. Okay, here's a trick question for you. I'm sure you must have seen a lot of videos of heroes lip syncing Rafi Saab songs. In fact, Shammi Kapoor's entire filmography was covered by Rafi Saab. And he used to insist that he would attend the recording so that he can imbibe the mannerisms that Rafi Saab used to give to the songs. Which actor do you feel got the Rafi persona the best in terms of lip syncing?
You already said it, sir. It's none other than Shammi Kapoor sir, because when I was, I think, 5 or in 5th standard or 4th standard, till then I thought Shammi Kapoor da was Rafi Sahab, because because it's
Such
like
is a similarity, yeah.
such a similarity, sir. The timing and all the emotions, which were like ye dekh ke dil, like how can he how can such person, only divine people can do that, they bring out such kind of emotion. So it's a huge thing.
Superb. So on this note, we go on to the fourth song of the evening. It's on two little known people. I mean, it was almost their first and last movie. The song remains eternal. In fact, the entire movie had songs that was absolutely brilliant. And it bet Sangam to the Best Filmfare Award. The name of the film is Dosti. This song was written by Majroor Sultanpuri and by two little known composers who were just making their way up, called Lakshmikant and Parelal. Jaane walo zara mud ke dekho mujhe. Over to you, Saurabh.
Oh my God. जाने वालों जरा मुड़ के देखो मुझे, एक इंसान हूँ मैं तुम्हारी तरह। जाने वालों जरा मुड़ के देखो मुझे, एक इंसान हूँ मैं तुम्हारी तरह, जिसने सब को रचा अपने रूप से, उसकी पहचान हूँ मैं तुम्हारी तरह। जाने वालों जरा इस अनोखे जगत की मैं तकदीर हूँ, इस अनोखे जगत की मैं तकदीर हूँ। मैं विधाता के हाथों की तस्वीर हूँ, एक तस्वीर हूँ। फिर रहा हूँ भटकता मैं यहाँ से वहाँ, और परेशान हूँ मैं तुम्हारी तरह। जाने वालों जरा मन के अंदर छिपाए मिलन की लगन, मन के अंदर छिपाए मिलन की लगन। अपने सूरज से हूँ एक बिछड़ी किरण, एक बिछड़ी किरण। फिर रहा हूँ भटकता मैं यहाँ से वहाँ, और परेशान हूँ मैं तुम्हारी तरह। जाने वालों जरा।
Superb.
Thank you, sir.
So here's a question I want to ask you. This song starts with a harmonica, right? It's a mouth organ. Can you take a wild guess who played the mouth organ? I'm sure it will be a surprise for you too.
I don't know, sir.
So that mouth organ was played by R.D. Burman.
Oh my God! Wow.
Lakshmikant Parelal and R.D. Burman were the best of friends, and R.D. Burman was great at mouth organ, apart from other instruments as well. So since they knew that their friend played very well, they requested him to play the harmonica for Dosti. So the songs which have the mouth organ piece in Dosti, all the pieces have been played by R.D. Burman himself.
Wow, sir. And there
So
is
this is the takeaway from this show that you can flaunt to all your. Yeah, tell me.
yeah, and there is actually another fact, sir, because this songs from Dosti actually Rafi Saab, like they need Rafi Saab, but Rafi, there was some like issues with the song, so they went to Manade Saab to whether he could
Record
sing,
the song.
sing for this movie. Then Manada Sahab said, no, 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 this song is all like Rafi Sahab's feelings and all. Like, why did
Only
you
he
give?
can do justice.
Yeah, only he can do this justice. Then they said, oh, Rafi Sahab can't do that. Oh, like there's some issues. Then Manade Sahab said, wait, let me call someone. Then he called Rafi Sahab. Rafi Sahab was sitting in his home. So Rafi Sahab came and Rafi Sahab asked, like, can I hear that song once again? Then yeah, that song became legendary.
Awesome, awesome. So on this note, on the quiz question that I had asked, what was Rafi Saab's nickname? The correct answer is Fico, and we have 3 winners: Shireen, Ganesh, and Beena. So congratulations, Shireen, Ganesh, and Beena. Please stay tuned in for your prizes from this contest. And I was told, Saurav, that you have recently released a single, the lyrics of which goes Neelavannil Novu Manjoru. So tell us something about that song. How did that come about? I mean, what was the inspiration for recording that song and creating? I'm sure it's been a blockbuster. There are lakhs and lakhs of people who have tuned into the song. So tell me all about it.
Actually, it's a different experience, because recording and singing live, it's actually so different, because in recording we are completely free, like we only me and the director, so like we are completely free and we can give any emotions which we want. So it's a different experience for me, and huge blessings, and I'm so honored to be a part of that event, because he took almost 6 years to complete that song, and due to this
When you
corona
say
fact,
he, who's the person?
like music director, actually like my 1 2 years elder to me.
Okay, what's the name?
Ranjit,
Ranjit. Okay.
music director Ranjit sir,
Okay.
and
So he wrote the lyrics himself, or who wrote the lyrics?
lyrics is written by some other person, and music direction, this Ranjit sir, he took almost like 2 years to 6 years
Wow.
to, yeah. So due to this corona, he
Yeah.
was held in his home, and then I became this viral and everything. Then we came to meet each other, and this song happened. So
Again, as I say, it's a cause and effect relationship. There are people who want to do a lot of things but are waiting for the right inspiration, for the right people to come into their life. Here you are, and you meet Mr. Ranjit, and the rest is history. So,
yes,
can you sing hum one line from that song?
sure, sir. Na, na, na. Mm, mm, mm. നീലവാനിൽ നോവുമാഞ്ഞൊരു താരമുണരുന്നു, തേന്മര പൂഞ്ചില്ലയിൽ ചെറുതെന്നൽ തഴുകുന്നു. നീലവാനിൽ നോവുമാഞ്ഞൊരു താരമുണരുന്നു, തേന്മര പൂഞ്ചില്ലയിൽ ചെറുതെന്നൽ തഴുകുന്നു. വിണ്ണിളം കുമ്പിളിൽ പുതുപുലരി വിരിയുന്നു, ലോകമേ നിന്നിലെ ചിറകിലേറുന്നു. തന്നനനാനേ 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 തന്നനനാനേ.
You know, Saurav, I was searching for Rafi Saab in a Malayalam song, but you absolutely sang it in your own style, and that is so refreshing. And it seems that you possess different voices for different songs, which is the hallmark of a great singer. So brilliant, very well done.
Thank you so much, sir.
So now we go to the favorite movie, Kashmir Ki Kali.
Yeah.
Kisi Na Kisi Se Kahin Na Kahin, written by S.H. Bihari, music by O.P. Nayyar, and again on your favorite Rafi actor combination, that is Rafi Saab and Shammi Kapoor Saab.
Yeah.
Over to you.
It's actually a peppy number. So
yeah, absolutely.
the viewers can join with me to dance. किसी न किसी से कभी न कभी कहीं न कहीं दिल लगाना पड़ेगा। किसी न किसी से कभी न कभी कहीं न कहीं दिल लगाना पड़ेगा। किसी न किसी से कभी न कभी कहीं न कहीं दिल लगाना पड़ेगा। एक से एक हंसे चेहरे हैं, किस किस को मैं देखूं, किसको इनमें अपना समझूं, संग में अपने ले लूं। कोई रंगीली छैल छबीली, कोई रंगीली रसीली छैल छबीली, आज मेरी जिंदगी में आके रहेगी। किसी न किसी से कभी न कभी कहीं न कहीं दिल लगाना पड़ेगा। ओ किसी न किसी से कभी न कभी कहीं न कहीं दिल लगाना पड़ेगा। ढूंढ रहा हो मैं वो दुनिया प्याज से कहते हैं, ढूंढ रहा हो मैं वो दुनिया प्यार किसे कहते हैं। कौन वो किस्मत वाले हैं जो लोग वहाँ रहते हैं। मुझको मेरे दिल लेके वही चल, मुझको मेरे दिल लेके वही चल। आए जहाँ हाथ कोई रेशमिया चल। किसी न किसी से कभी न कभी कहीं न कहीं दिल लगाना पड़ेगा। किसी न किसी से कभी न कभी कहीं न कहीं दिल लगाना पड़ेगा।
You know, I almost thought that you will flip your hair and do that Shammi Kapoor style when he rides on horseback. It's such a lovely, breezy number. You almost want to sing and dance along with it.
True, sir.
So here's the second question, the second quiz question that is coming up for the viewers and listeners. Saurav Kishan heard one song on his grandfather's gramophone, and that was the song which won Rafi Saab his first Filmfare Male Playback Singer Award. Which was the song? Please write into us and wait for some goodies from this side of the bridge. So, sort of continuing with the Shammi Kapoor Mohammad Rafi combination, now we are moving on to a movie which I believe changed the entire syntax and grammar of Hindi film music. The film's name is Teesri Manzil. Majroo Saab is the lyricist, R.D. Burman is the music composer, and mind you, by this time he had composed music for some 3 or 4 movies, and he was really on the edge of his seat as far as his place in the entire galaxy of music composers. Those days there was S.T. Burman, his father himself, there was Shankar Jaikishan, there was Madan Mohan, there was Naushad, an entire galaxy waiting, and such legends. And for him to make a place, and with this kind of music, I think speaks volumes about the kind of musical ability that R.D. Burman possessed. And we are so happy that even after all these years, the first name that comes to mind in terms of the freshness of music, the music that was ahead of times, that those are films for which R.D. has composed music for. So take it away. The song's name is Tumne Mujhe Dekha Hokar Meherban.
तुमने मुझे देखा होकर मेहरबान, रुक गई ये ज़मीं, थम गया आसमां, जाने मन जाने जा, तुमने मुझे देखा होकर मेहरबान, रुक गई ये ज़मीं, थम गया आसमां, जाने मन जाने जा, तुमने मुझे देखा। के सहरा में रुकते चलते होते, इन होठों की हसरत में तपते जलते होते, मेहरबान हो गई जुल्फ की बदलियां, जाने मन जाने जा, तुमने मुझे देखा होकर मेहरबान, रुक गई ये ज़मीं, थम गया आसमां, जाने मन जाने जा, तुमने मुझे देखा। हंसी जलवे तुम भी न कहाँ पहुँचे, आखिर तो मेरे दिल तक कदमों के निशान पहुँचे, खत्म से हो गए रास्ते सब यहाँ, जाने मन जाने जा, तुमने मुझे देखा होकर मेहरबान, रुक गई ये ज़मीं, थम गया आसमां, जाने मन जाने जा, तुमने मुझे देखा।
Wow.
Thank you.
you just exuded a lot of energy, a lot of swaying of the beats that the song required. So, viewers and listeners, you'll be happy to note on the question that I asked, which was the first song for which Rafi Saab won his first Filmfare. And that's a song that has a deep connection with Saurav's interest in music as well. The song was Chaudhary Ka Chand. And the winner is Bhalchandra Pillai. There have been many correct answers, but by luck of the draw, Mr. Bhalchandra Pillai has been declared the winner. So congratulations, Mr. Bhalchandra. And the next song that we are coming up with is also a request from Shireen. We didn't know that the request would coincide with the song that we have already chosen. So Shireen, this one is for you. It's from a film called Pyar Hi Pyar. Lyricist Hasrat Jaipuri, Shankar Jayakrishna are the music composers, and it was and on screen was a young up and coming actor called Dharmendra along with Vaijayanti Mala. And the name of the song is Main Kahin Kavi Na Ban Jaun. And it's a very interesting song because the entire song has been shot in a lift. And that's where the camera moves in and around. And it was innovative for that day and age. Of course, now there are a lot of steady cams and a lot of rolling cameras that rule the roost. But in that day and age, with primitive equipments, to capture the entire song in a lift, within the confines of a lift, was quite a genius indeed. So take it away, Saurav.
Sure, sir. मैं कहीं कभी न बन जाऊं, तेरे प्यार में कविता, मैं कहीं कभी न बन जाऊं, तेरे प्यार में कविता, मैं कहीं कभी न बन जाऊं। तुझे दिल के आईने में मैंने बार बार देखा, तुझे दिल के आईने में मैंने बार बार देखा, तेरी अखड़ियों में देखा तो छलकता प्यार देखा, तेरा तीर मैंने देखा तो जिगर के पार देखा, मैं कहीं कभी न बन जाऊं, तेरे प्यार में कविता, मैं कहीं कभी न बन जाऊं, तेरे प्यार में कविता, मैं कहीं कभी न बन जाऊं। तेरा रंग है सलोना, तेरे अंग में लचक है, तेरा रंग है सलोना, तेरे अंग में लचक है, तेरी बात में है जादू, तेरे बोल में धनक है, तेरी हर अदा मोहब्बत तो जमीन की धनक है, मैं कहीं कभी न बन जाऊं, तेरे प्यार में कविता, मैं कहीं कभी न बन जाऊं।
Superb.
Thank you, sir.
In fact, one of the things that we wanted to share as Sangeet and we are so honored, and it's our honor to be on stage with you. In fact, though virtual, though I would have wanted to hear you live on stage, but technology demands that I be in front of a Zoom with you. Sangeet is at the forefront of wanting to tap into the latent talent of singers, of people who have had a rudimentary interest in music and now want to pursue this further, because music is one healer in these testing times that would help you. We believe that going through tough times, and in that respect, we have started something called as a Sangeet Gurukul. And there are two aspects to this. There are a set of videos that are coming up as to how to get into the mood of a song and what are the things that you need to look out for while delivering a particular song, be it a pitch, be it an intonation, be it the expression, be it the diction. So those are some set of videos that are coming up. And the second is Rafi Saab's songs Decoded. So if you take a particular song, you need to know as to at what point do you need to emphasize on a particular word. You need to take a deep breath. You need to let the music flow in. You need to have that expression to give that thrust on that mood of the song. So these are a couple of things that we are happy to share with you, that we shall be coming across in future, and I'm sure we'll be involving you in a lot of things. I hope you will be partnering us in a lot of initiatives. So this is something as a happy note that I wanted to share with you, Saurabh.
I'm hugely blessed.
So over to the last song of the evening. It might technically be the last song, but wait for some surprises after that as well. So the name of the song is Dil Ki Awaaz Bhi Sun Mere Fasane Pe Na Ja. Film's name is Hamsaya. It's written by a little known lyricist called Shehzan Rizvi. Music is by O.P. Nayyar. So over to you, Saurabh.
दिल की आवाज भी सुन मेरे फसाने पे न जा, मेरी नजरों की तरफ दे जमाने पे न जा। दिल की आवाज भी सुन मेरे फसाने पे न जा, मेरी नजरों की तरफ दे जमाने पे न जा। दिल की आवाज भी सुन। एक नजर देख ले, एक नजर देख ले, जीने की इजाजत दे दे। रूठने वाले वो पहली सी मोहब्बत दे दे। एक नजर देख ले, जीने की इजाजत दे दे। लौटने वाले वो पहली सी मोहब्बत दे दे। इश्क मासूम है, इश्क मासूम है, इल्जाम लगाने पे न जा। मेरी नजरों की तरफ दे जमाने पे न जा। दिल की आवाज भी सुन। वक्त इंसान पे, वक्त इंसान पे ऐसा भी कभी आता है, जहाँ हमें छोड़ के साया भी चला जाता है। वक्त इंसान पे ऐसा भी कभी आता है, जहाँ हमें छोड़ के साया भी चला जाता है। दिन भी निकलेगा कभी, दिन भी निकलेगा कभी, रात के आने पे न जा, मेरी नजरों की तरफ देख, जमाने पे न जा, दिल की आवाज भी सुन.
Awesome, just awesome.
Thank you, sir.
So before this song, a couple of minutes back, I told you of our initiative. I mean, would you want to say something to our listeners and viewers about the kind of initiatives that we are taking? I mean, if such a kind of a learning is imparted, wouldn't it be nice to for people to grab the knowledge that is coming through videos? So what is your opinion on the same?
Actually, during this tough times, it's a huge honor to do such an events and bring out some such videos and everything, because it will be a huge help for those who are in need. So it will be a great initiative to start up with this.
Thank you so much. And it is people like you who keep us inspired, who keep us encouraged, and we hope to do many more such videos. And we would want to have you in the midst of each and every activity. And before we sign off for the day, sort of, it would be unfair if I didn't take a request or a farmaish from a person who's been in constant touch with you, Sharanya. Her request for the song was "Tum Jo Mil Gaye Ho" from the film Haste Zakham. So
okay, Sharanya Didi. Na na na. तुम जो मिल गए हो तो ये लगता है कि जहां मिल गया, कि जहां मिल गया. एक भटके हुए राही को कारवां मिल गया. तुम जो मिल गए हो तो ये लगता है कि जहां मिल गया, कि जहां मिल गया. बैठो न दूर हमसे, देखो खफा न हो. बैठो न दूर हमसे, देखो खफा न हो. किस्मत से मिल गए हो, मिलके जुदा न हो. किस्मत से मिल गए हो, मिलके जुदा न हो. मेरी क्या खता है, होता है ये भी कि ज़मीं से भी कभी आसमां मिल गया, कि जहां मिल गया.
superb.
Thank you, sir.
In fact, it's been such a paradoxical interview. We've been talking in English, and the only time Hindi has flowed from your mouth is through the songs. And so it's been such a contrast. I'm sure the viewers and the listeners have observed this. I would want to close today's program with the song itself, Tum Jo Mil Gaye Ho Ke Jahan Mil Gaya. Right from the time the great man departed in 1980, there has been this constant search for the next Rafi. And I'm so happy that the search has ended, if not in full, at least in partial measure, with you singing these numbers with such gusto, with such enthusiasm, with such depth of expression. I pray that you continue to enthrall us with these numbers for many more years to come and give us many more such moments of happiness.
Thank you so much, sir.
And it's been wonderful chatting with you, Saurabh, and we hope to engage with you in many more conversations in the coming future. And we wanted the last word from you. How did you find this experience?
Oh my God, I had lots of fun in this interview. I had lots of fun, sir, and I'm blessed to meet you. And I heard that you are also from, and your cousins are also in Calicut.
Yes, my cousins are in
Please,
Calicut.
you are
Yes,
always
near
welcome in
Chavayu.
my
Yes,
home, sir.
yes. So the next time I am around, I'm going to spend lesser time in their house and be in your place more.
Please come here, sir.
Thank you so much. In fact, people are actually telling us that they don't want this show to end. So that's the kind of impact that you've had on our listeners and viewers. But I know you have other commitments to catch up to, and wonderful knowing you, Saurabh. Please retain the smile and the enthusiasm and the humility that you exude. It is so reminiscent of the great man himself. And may God bless you with a lot of success in the future.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
On this note, we at Sangeet are wrapping up this wonderful interaction with Saurabh Kishan, hoping for many more such programs in future to keep you enthralled and engrossed. Till then, Mohan Gopinath signing off. Thanks, Saurabh.
Thanks, sir.